Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download songs on Spotify without premium. If you go on the Spotify and try to download any songs, then you need to have a premium account. But what you can do to download this is first of all go into your any of your browser and then search for free Spotify premium. Then click on the Spotify Premium try for 3 months. Then now you can use it for 3 months for $0. Use any Gmail account, and after 3 months you can use another Gmail account to use it for free and download the premium Spotify. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.